Well, hello, Robert Heffernan with EndoTech. This is Blockchain Vitals. It's our weekly segment. We will talk to weekly fractals in the Vitals section here today on the price discovery part of the segment. I'm a master endotechnician firmly in the matrix, and I don't know what is going on with the technology, but we got some bumping and some grinding with the... I hope that's not what's going on live. I will check it out. And if I have to re-upload, I will, but the show must go on. Anyway, it's going to be hard to keep track of it if that's going on in the background. I don't know why it's doing that. Anyway, let's continue. As I said, I don't know what's going on. Technology, sometimes it gets you. Anyway, Let's do the rounds. Who did that? Come on, bring it in where it's supposed to be. Doing the rounds, jumping ahead of what I wanted to bring on, and this was, my doing the rounds segment, my chance to talk about a headline, a tweet, something going on in the Twitter sphere, and I wanted to bring you up to date on something I got going on in the blockchain, and I tweeted out this to Kevin O'Leary. Of Shark Tank fame, because he's a guitar player, and I am a guitar player. I do a little dabbling with guitar, and anyway, I'm finishing up a blues tune in studio, and I really want to work on a collaborative effort, and I would love to get some other people involved in this, including Kevin O'Leary and including John McAfee, some people that are incredibly successful, but also musicians part-time, right? Not professional musicians, but musicians in their personal life. Anyway, I want to join with Beatscoin and share this endeavor on the blockchain and kind of work it as a how-to as we go right along and do it. Produce a song, put it on the blockchain, and let everybody that's involved in the endeavor profit from it and be rewarded and be, taken care of going forward because it's recorded on the blockchain. That's what I'm thinking anyway. Let us take the vitals. I gotta tell you, I don't know what to think. I mean, I gotta shrink it because I can't even pay attention. Taking the vitals is my chance to talk about what I'm seeing on a price discovery frame of reference. And covering again this week, I'll be covering Bitcoin for the Facebook crowd. And Bitcoin right now, hold on a second, let's talk about the real price going on. Right now, Bitcoin trading 52.87 at Bitfinex. You know, they broke them. This whole weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, has been the back and forth show and unable to decide where they want to go. But one thing that did happen here is the weekly fractal rolled. Up momentum now on the weekly, 48.90, and a full, let's call it almost $300 plus available to the upside on the up momentum collar. So expanding potentiality still happening here. Now, in my experience trading, yeah, we have expanding potentials, but you better start to discover some of that price, that expanding potentiality through price discovery. You better start to, find some of those price levels, or what's going to happen is potentiality is going to start to contract. Anyway, this week, 48.90, like I said, up momentum, and 61.35 up momentum collar on the weekly in Bitcoin. So it's getting to that point where, we're going to push sideways here maybe, and if we trade even a little bit lower here, 48.90, that not that far away to go to touch that momentum level on the weekly basis. But more importantly, I think for a longer-term bull setup in this quadrant, we need to see some explosive price action to the upside, or just some price discovery to the upside. Not even necessarily explosive, but we need to start making some higher highs. We've congested sideways here, and now we really need to make another leg up here, or I think this rally fizzles. All right, that's what I'm seeing in Bitcoin, 53.15. Up Mo on the daily, right now trading 52.94. So trying to grab that. You know, I've always said, what have you done for me lately? So unable to close in up momentum on the daily, but surely it's still there and attainable for you all you bull cheerleaders. And for me, like I said on that weekly fractal, we really need to start discovering a little bit higher price action for me to think that we got, you know, the bull scenario fully involved here. That's what I'm thinking. All right, I'm going to say goodbye to the YouTube crowd. Thank you so much for watching. Please share. Please follow us at EndoTech_IO and at HFR from the floor. I will see you tomorrow for Blockchain Vitals, a daily segment tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching on Facebook. All right, let's continue. All right, Ether trading 169.99, 170, let's call it. Just above the center line. And again here, you know, and in fact, since I think we maybe have some problems with the technology, what I'm going to do here is talk about the top 12 that we're looking at here. Ether right now, like I said, 169.99. Again, good expanding potentiality on the weekly. 163.61. Up Mo on the weekly, room to 202.06. 202.06. Up momentum collar on the weekly. A nice chart set up on the weekly. Plenty of expanding potentiality going on. Not the same to be said for XRP. All right, so we got XRP, and I'll go down through these. XRP, XLM, ADA, and Tron, all with just brutal sideways action, collapsing to not just flatlined potentiality to the upside. Those four coins for me are not the story to be in. All right, Bitcoin, Ether, EOS, Litecoin, BNB, XMR, Dash, and now Tezos, which kicked IOTA out of the top 12 on our sheet. Anyway, all with pretty similar chart setups, expanding potentiality on the weekly, and you got to mind the Mo, so let's go through it. EOS, up Mo, $5, room to 703. Litecoin, up Mo, 76.06, room to 108.58. BNB, up Mo, 2013. How about that now? 2013 is the up Mo. If you remember just a couple weeks ago, that was the up momentum collar on the weekly. Now up Mo 2013, room out to 30.63 in BNB. XMR 64.12 is the up Mo, room to $81. Dash 115.51, room to 156.74. And Tezos XTZ up Mo at 105, room to 173. That's what I'm seeing. Mind the Mo. Be involved with coins that have expanding potentiality if you are a bull. And that's where it is, right? Bitcoin, Ethereum, EOS, Litecoin, BNB, XMR, Dash, and Tezos all have that same expanding potentiality on the chart. XRP, XLM, ADA, Tron, not so much. All right, listen, thank you so much for watching. Happy Easter. And I will be back tomorrow for a Blockchain Vitals daily segment. Thank you again so much for watching.